Hello everybody. If you are new to our channel or haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe it. Thank you. Now we'll start with our session exercise 1.3 of chapter 1 number system. Here the first question is write the following in the decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. The first is 36 upon 100. This is simple. It can be written as 0.36. What does this mean? Here the decimal is completing, so it is terminating. The decimal expansion is terminating. Now we'll see the second question, that is 1 upon 11. Okay, I'll just take one rough paper. Here it is 11, 1 divided by 11. So here it is 1. So you will take 0 point, then you are going to add over here. So you are going to write it 0. Okay, still it is not going to come. 0 you have added. So now 100. So it will be 9s 99. What you will have? You will have 1. So what does this mean? It is going to repeat this 2 term, that is equal to 0.0909, so on. So what type of decimal expansion does it have? It have recurring and non-terminating. Okay, now we'll see the second question, the third question, that is 4 is to the mixed fraction, that is 4 and 1/8. So how you are going to write this? How you are going to? I have explained you this, how you are going to convert this mixed fraction to the simple fraction. So this is nothing else but 4 plus 1 upon 8, that is 32 plus 1, that is 33 upon 8. Now you are going to divide 33 by 8. It is nothing else but 8 4s are 32, 1 less. So here I am going to add this. So 10 1s are 8, 2. Now you are getting 2, 20 you are going to write it. So it's 2s are, you will get 16, 8 2s are 16. Now you have left with 4, that is 40. So 8 5s are 40. It is getting terminated. So this is the decimal expansion will be 4.125, which is terminating. Here the decimal expansion was 0.09 bar. Now we will see 3 by 13. We'll take the fourth example is 3 by 13. So I want to add 0 over here. 0.2s are 26. You will left with 4, 13 3s are, that is 39. You will left with 1, 0. Yes, it is less than, so I am going to add again 0 over here. So 0. Now 13 7s are, that is 91. You left with 9. Here I have to write 7. Now you are going to add 0. 13 6 are 78. You left with 12, adding 0. Then you will be having 13 9s are 117. You will left with 3. Okay, what it is going to do? It is going to repeat this sequence again. So you have 0.230769 bar. What it is? It is 0.230769 recurring and non-terminating. Now you have fifth question. That is 2 divided by 11. First of all, I am going to do it here. 0 point. Okay. Then 1s are 11. What it will be? 9. The subtraction. Now 9. You are going to add 0 over here because 9 is less than 11. So 11 8s are 88. What you are left with? 2. So what it has? It is going to repeat the same sequence. So it is going to have 0.1818, so on. So 0.18 bar, that is recurring and non-terminating. Now here, how you are going to do this sum? This is nothing else but 3 to 9 divide by 4 into 100. What I will do? I'll just divide this 3 to 9 by 4. What will be the answer? We'll see. 3 to 9 divide by 4. 4 8s are 32. Here it will be 0 0 9. Now 4 2s are 8. Here it will be 1. I am going to add 0 point. Now 4 2s are 8. What you will be left with? 2. Then again 0, as 2 is less than this. So 4 5s are 20. Here it is getting terminated. So you have 82.25. This here you are going to do 42.25 divide by 100, as you have written the division of this over here. Now there are 2 zeros, so it is going to come here, this is going to come here, so this is it like this. So you will have 0.8225 with you. And what is this? This is terminating. So whenever you will be given such type of question, you are going to expand the decimal form, and then you are going to check the numbers after the decimal, the patterns after the decimal, and then you are going to decide which is terminating, which is recurring or non-terminating. Okay, now we'll see the second question, that is, you know 1 upon 7 is 0.142857 bar. Can you predict what the decimal expansion of 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7 and 6 upon 7 are? 6 upon 7 are without actually doing the long division. If so, how? Yes, you can find out the decimal expansion without doing the long division. How? First you have found out this 1 upon 7. What is this? 0.142857 bar. From your example 5. Now what is this? 2 upon 7 is what? Nothing else but 2 multiplied by 1 upon 7. So you have got, this is nothing else but 2 multiplied by 0.14287 bar. What you are going to do? You are going to multiply this number with this. So 2 4s are 14, 2 5s are 10, 14, 15. Okay, 2 5s are 10. Then here it will be 11. Then 2 8s are 16, 1 carry 17, 2 2s are 4, 5, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, that is 0.285714 bar. I'll write it properly. 0.285714 bar. What will be for 3 upon 7? 3 multiplied by 1 upon 7. So 3 multiplied by 0.142857. What it will be? 3 7s are 21. 3 5s are 15, 16, 17. 3 8s are 24, 25. Now 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3 and 4. So this is nothing else but multiplying the division of 1 upon 7 with the numerator of each. Now here it is 4 multiplied by 1 upon 7. So 4 multiplied by 0.14287 bar. 4 7s are 28. 4 5s are 20, 22. 4 8s are 32, 33, 34. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11. 4 4s are 16, 17. 4 1s are 4 and 5. 0.571428. Same for 5 multiplied by 1 upon 7. That is 5 multiplied by 0.14287 bar. What you will have? 5 7s are 35. 5 5s are 25, 26, 27, 28. 5 8s are 40, 42. 5 2s are 10, 14. 5 4s are 20, 21. 5 1s are 5, 6, 7. 714285 bar. Same is for 6 upon 7. 6 multiplied by 1 upon 7. That is 6 multiplied by 0.14287 bar. 6 7s are 42. 6 5s are 30, 34. 6 8s are 48, 49, 50, 51. 6 2s are 12, 17, 6 4s are 24, 25, 6 1s are 6, 7, 8. This is the answer for 6 upon 7. So simply, if you get some questions like this, and if you are telling, then you have to first of all find 1 upon 7, and then you are going to just multiply the numerator. If the denominator is same as you have find for this, then you can just multiply this 2 multiplied by 1 upon 7, and 1 upon 7 is what? This 0.142857. You can refer the example 5 for this division. Okay, now we'll see the question number 3. Express the following in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. We have seen examples of such questions. Okay, the first is 0.6 bar. What does this mean? The repetition is only for one number. Multiply, you are going to multiply it by 10. First of all, let x is equal to 0.6 bar. Multiply 10 on both sides. So 10x is equal to 0.6 bar multiplied by 10. You will have 10x is equal to, this point is going to be over here, so 6.666, so on. This is nothing else but 0.666, so on. Now what you have to do, you have to bring x over here. So 10x is equal to, how you are going to split it? 6 plus 0.66, this. Now what is this? This is x. Therefore 10x is equal to 6 plus x. Therefore 10x minus x is equal to 6. Therefore 9x is equal to 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 by 9, that is 2 upon 3. Yes, it is in the form of p by q, and q is not equal to 0. Now we will see for the second question, that is 0.4, and only bar is on 7. Okay, the number is like 0.4777, so on. So let x is equal to 0.47 bar, that is 0.4777, so on. Here you are going to multiply it by 10 on both the side. That means 10x is equal to 10 multiplied by 0.47, so on. Therefore 10x is equal to, this will come over here, so 4.777, so on. Therefore 10x is equal to, now how you are going to split? I have told you, just keep this place blank and write what is your x. Your x is 0.477. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to minus this number from this. So what you will have? What you will have? You have to minus this number, 4.77 minus 0.477. 7 minus 4, that is 3, 4. So you will have 4.3 with you. So the blank space is nothing else but 4.3. Therefore 10x is equal to 4.3 plus x, as we have assumed it. Therefore 10x minus x is equal to 4.3. That is nothing else but 9x is equal to 4.3. Therefore x is equal to 4.3 upon 9. Taking this decimal to the denominator, you will have 443 upon 90, that is p upon q, and q is not equal to 0. This is how you are going to perform for the number after decimal which is repeating only single time, like this. Now we will see the third example is 0.001. That means the number will be like this. Let x is equal to 0.01 bar, that is equal to 0.001001. You have to multiply it by how much? You have to multiply it by 1000 on both sides. Why? Because three numbers are getting bar, three numbers are getting repeated. Therefore 1000x is equal to, what you will have? 1000x is equal to 0.001. Therefore multiplying 1000, therefore 1000x is equal to, now you are multiplying by 1000, so the point will go after this, so you will have 1.000. Here the number will be like 1.00, then again the numbers will repeat 100. So how you are going to split this number? 1000x is equal to 1 plus 0.001001. What is this? This is nothing else but x. Therefore 1000x is equal to 1 plus x. Therefore 1000x minus x is equal to 1. Therefore you have 999x is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1 upon 999, which is p upon q, and q is not equal to 0. Just have look on this. If you have any doubts in any question, you can comment me. Okay, here we have fourth question. Express 0.99999 in the form of p by q. Are you surprised by your answer? Why so? We will discuss it. First we will see 0.99999, that is 0.9 bar. So I'll assume it as x. Let x is equal to 0.99 is equal to 0.9 bar. Now here I have to multiply it by 10 on both sides. So 10x is equal to 0.9 multiplied by 10. Therefore 10x is equal to 9.9. Now how we are going to split this? Therefore 10x is equal to 9 plus 0.999. Now what is this? This is x. Therefore 10x is equal to 9 plus x. Therefore 10x minus x is equal to 9. Therefore 10x minus 1x, that is 9x, is equal to 9. Therefore x is equal to 9 by 9, that is equal to 1. The answer is 1. Now what do you 0.9999, what is this? This is as much close as to 1. This is very infinitely close to 1. So how much 9 you can take? You will take it as 1. So it is the 1, and so you can write in your discussion that yes, it makes sense as 0.9 bar is infinitely close to what? 1. And there's a difference, there is a very minute difference between 1 and 0.999999. So this is how you are going to first solve the question, and then you are going to show what is the difference between this and how much closely it is, how much close this both number are. If you are going to round up this thing, then what it will be? It will be 1 only. Okay, so there is a small difference between them. So as much as 9 you will take, but the answer will come 1 over here. Okay, question 5. What can be the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block of digits in the decimal expansion of 1 upon 17? Perform division to check your answer. Yes, it will have a long calculation for this number. We'll see how. What you have to do? You have to divide 1 by 17. Okay, we'll just take one rough paper because it's going to be a long division. 17, 1 divided by 17. So first of all, yes, 1 is less than, so 0.0, as you will need 2 zeros. So 17 5s are, there is 85. You left with 150. Then it is 17 8s are, you will have 136. Okay, you will left with 140. Now 17 again, yes, this is close, so 17 8s are 136. Now you will left with 40. Now 17 2s are, you will have 34 with you. What will be left? You will be left with 6, that is 0. Now here 3s are, here 17 5s are, 17 3s are, you will be having 51. So you will be left with 9, again 0. So 17 5s are, you will have 85. So you will be left with 5. You have to write over here 5. Now this again 0. So 17 2s are 34. Here you will be left with 160. Now 160. So 17 9s are 135. You will left with 70. Now 17 4s are, that is 68. Here you will be left with 2 0. 17 1s are, that is 17. You left with 3 0. Again 1s are 17. You will be left with 13 0. 17 7s are 119. You will be left with 1 1. Then you can keep this 0. So 7s. Now 17 6s, it will be 106. So here you will be left with 80. So 17 4s are 68. What you will be left, what you will have with you? 120. Now 17 120. So you will have 119, that is 7s. You will be left with 1. You will have 7s. You are left with 1. And what is this? This is nothing else but again you are going to get division like this from starting. So the number you have is this. You are going to do this much long division for this number, and you will have the number like this: 2 3 5 2 9 4 1 1 7 6 4 7. Yes, it is a long calculation, so you have to keep in mind all the digits properly. I'll just move this paper. And what it will have? It will have bar. Why? Because the numbers in last you are getting 1. Here, understand the question. Question number 6. Look at several examples of rational numbers in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0, where p and q are integers with no common factor other than 1 and having terminating decimal representation. No common factor other than 1. Simple as here it can be 4 by 2, which you will have 2 by 5, you will have some 0.4. You can take 3 by 2, you will have 1.5. You can take 7 upon 10, that is 0.7. Here the numbers, it can be, we'll take one more example. Here you can take the example of 16 by 8. Here you will get 2s, so it will have 2. So you can see you want a common factor, no common factor other than 1. Therefore here this is not applicable. You have 7 upon 8. Here on dividing you will get 0.875, something like this. So here you can see it has what? All the denominators will be either 2 or 5, or their power, or combination of both 2 and 5. So Q will satisfy this property, that Q will be either 2 or 5, or their power, either 2's power or 5's power, okay, or combination of both 2 and 5. So these three properties should satisfy Q. Now the 7th question is easy. Write 3 numbers whose decimal expansion are non-terminating and non-recurrent. You can write any numbers, any 3 numbers, you can write it. 6.01, which is non-terminating, 2 3 1 0 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 0 0 dot 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 dot. It is not repeating and it is not getting terminated. So you can write 1.0 2 3 1 4 1 1 1 7 6 1 7 8 1 0 1 1 7, so on. The number should not get terminated even and not repeat also. Any number which should satisfy this condition. 2 0 1 2 1 3 4 5 1 1 1 1 1 2 4 5. Okay, this number is non-terminating and non-repeating even. So these are irrational numbers. Here we have 5 by 7. 1 upon 7 is this. We have already done this question, that is 5 multiplied by 1 upon 7. Okay, here we have to find 3 decimal irrational numbers between 2 rational numbers, that is 5 by 7 and 9 by 7. So first of all we have to find the decimal expansion of both of this number. So 5 by 7 is nothing else but 5 multiplied by 1 by 7, that is 5 multiplied by 0.14285 bar. What it will be having? 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25, 26, 27, 28, 5 8s are 40, 42, 5 2s are 10, 14, 5 4s are 20, 21, 5 1s are 5, 6, 7. So you have one number, it is like 0.714285 so it will be so on like this. Here the number will be 0.714285 bar. I have written in both the manners. Now second number is 9 by 11. This also we have seen. This is 9 divided by 11. So first of all 0, and here you are going to add this. So 0, 8s are 88, you will left with 1. Sorry, you will be left with 2. You are going to add 0. Then 11 2s are 11 1s are 11, and you will be left with 9. So this is going to repeat 8 1 8 1 dot dot dot. That is 0.81. Now you have two numbers, that is 0.714285 dot 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 and 0.818181 dot dot dot. Now you have to find an irrational number. What is irrational? Non-terminating and non-recurring. So your boundaries will be this two. So here it is 0.71 and here it is 0.81. So you can take 0.75. Yes, this number is between both of this. Now here add some numbers to make it non-repeating. 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so on, and it is non-terminating and it is non-repeating. Okay, so here this answer may vary as you are going to take any number from this, any number, but it should be between these two numbers. So you have to take 7. So yes, you can take 7. It is 1. So you can take 5 by, because you have the limit 81, sorry, 0.81. So you can take 5. Then you can take any number which is non-terminating and it should not repeat also. So this is the number between these two rational numbers. So if you have given such questions, then you have to first find out the decimal expansion of the numbers, and then you are going to make this as your boundary, and then you are going to find any numbers. If here you have been told 3 decimal irrational numbers. So you can just add it up. 7, 6, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other number I have did 7, 8, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What I have did? I have just added 1 to each numbers. Simple. So you can find any 3 numbers. It can vary as per your imagination, but it should be non-terminating and non-repeating and should be between these 2 numbers. Okay, now here you have to classify question 9, that is you have to classify following numbers as rational and irrational. We'll see rational means terminating, non-terminating but repeating, and irrational means non-terminating and non-repeating even. Non-repeating means no repeating blocks. Under root 23. So this is simply, it has no square root of 23. There is no square root of 23. So it is irrational. Whenever you are going to find the square root of 23, it will be non-terminating and non-repeating. Now under root of 2 to 5. Yes, it's a square root of 15. So it is terminating, and this is what? Rational number. This is irrational number. Now 0.3796. How you can write this? 0.3796. How many digits after decimal? 4. So yes, this can be written as P by Q. So this is a rational number. Now here what it is? 7.478. So you can write this number as 7.478 bar. So this is rational. Now what is this number? What is this number? 1.1010. This is non-terminating and non-repeating even. So this is what? Irrational. So this is how you are going to identify rational and irrational. If you have any doubt in any question, you may write it in my comment section. And please, if you are not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe it. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.